This study is a label that displays at the top of your chart using the 5 and 8 EMAs. These are fast-moving averages that react quickly to price changes, which makes them useful for spotting short-term momentum shifts. When the 5 is below the 8, it turns pink, signaling bearish momentum. When the 5 is above the 8, it turns light green, signaling bullish momentum. Yellow means they're equal, which is rare but can happen at the exact moment of a crossover. When this short-term indicator conflicts with longer-term indicators, it might be an early warning that the trend is losing steam, or there might be a temporary pullback coming. That covers this study. When you're ready to add it to your charts, my TOS Chart Styles video is where you want to go. That's where I walk through my complete chart style setups and share the Flex Grid so you can use these studies too. If you found this helpful, share with your friends, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.